Hello guys, you use smartphone Asus Zenfone 5, model ZE620KL. Start unpacking. Open box. Look completion. We have device, of course. Quick guide. Protected back cover. Protected back cover. One moment, please. Adapter for charging, headphones, and USB Type-C cable. Okay. And in completion we have a key for SIM slot. And now talk about the phone. Phone made of glass and metal. On the front side we have display 6.2 inch, front camera, talk speaker, sensor, LED indicator and sensors. On the left side slot, open the slot. This community slot we can use 2 nano SIM card or 1 nano SIM and micro SD card for memory. Close it. On the right side we have power button and volume buttons. Upside without controls, downside headphone jack, port, USB Type-C, speaker and microphone. On the back side we have double camera, LED and fingerprint scanner. Okay. Protected back cover, looks good. Okay. Turn on device. Open settings. Open settings, look Android version. Version Android at 8.0.0. Close this and open next test. Geekbench 4. So CPU Qualcomm Snapdragon 636. This is octa-core processor, 4 plus 4 cores. First powerful cores work 1.8 GHz. Second 4 cores work on 1.6 GHz. GPU Adreno 509. This wrong information. Resolution and display PPA. Wrong information only about GPU. RAM memory 4 GB, internal memory 64 GB. Look CPU test, single core score and multi-core score, and look GPU test. Close this, Geekbench 4, and open next test onto the benchmark. Onto the benchmark score, look ranking. Go multi-touch test, device support 10 touches, very good. Ranking not load. And go I show you. GPU Adreno 509, not 512. Okay, ranking load. Okay, next test, game test, Guitar San Andreas. Look how Guitar San Andreas work on the device. Graphic level max, and resume game. game load and works good without lags and glitches, smoothly, very good gameplay on the max graphic level, all ok, all okay. Okay, very good gameplay. And another game we can play without problem. Asphalt 8, Assassin's Creed Identity, PUBG Mobile works very good. Okay, next test camera. Open camera. Main camera is double camera. Front camera 8 megapixels. Main camera 16 plus 12 megapixels double camera. And now I'll show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.